So let's talk about the concept of delegation architecture. Because everyone always says, just delegate more, like it's that simple. But delegation without structure is how you end up with frustrated staff and you redoing everything any case. And that is not real delegation. The problem is that most practice owners skip the step. They don't document how things should be done, they don't do training properly, there's no clear authority levels. So their team either does things very wrong or they keep on asking questions. And what happens? You, the owner, ends up taking all the work back because just give it to me. I know what to do, I know how to do it in the shortest amount of time. And this is really where delegation architecture comes in. It is a system that lets your team own their work while you stay informed without being involved in every minute little detail. And here's how it works. It's really simple. You start with the documentation of every step, what needs to be done. You write down exactly how the task is done, why it matters, and also what success looks like to the business. There's no space for interpretation or I thought that. It must be super, super clear. Then you train the person step by step. You watch them doing it, you correct them, you have them do it again, and lastly, you give them a very clear authority level. And now your team knows exactly what you want and they have permission to deliver it. And that is what keep you in control while freeing your time so that you can do whatever it is that you want to do. Drop me a comment. I'm very interested to know what is that one task you're holding on to that you know you should actually be delegating.